Hello there everyone, my name is Nasrallo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is the spot Bitcoin ETF, did it just get approved? And this moment, guys, is historic. This is what we've been all waiting for, but let's just look into this because I have a suspicion that there might be something happening that none of us are expecting. So watch this video from the beginning and until the end, please, because this is probably one of the most important moments in history of crypto, of Bitcoin, etc. So let's just jump into this. We are seeing right now, right here, a lot of different people posting this, that the ARK 21 shares Bitcoin spot ETF is approved. Officials on the website, of SEC. And we have the filing date and the accepted on this date and blah, 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 blah. So this though, is it the case? Has it been approved? So let's just dig deeper and let me show you this right here. All 11 spot Bitcoin ETF tickers are currently being added to the Bloomberg terminal as pending listing. Trading will be ready to go shortly after approval. And what we also are seeing, what is important, is this piece right here. This is from CBOE. CBOE is one of the biggest exchanges in the United States. And what they've added is the dates for the beginning of trading for 11. So basically well, not all of them in the same day, but most tomorrow on ARK Invest, on also this one right here. Then also, well, basically this is Vest, this is Fidelity, Franklin, Invesco, Van Eyck, Wisdom Tree, also to be. So this is basically the date when they will start trading. So the question then is, has it been approved? And let me tell you what I think right now. And certainly remember that we're going to be putting in some incredible trades because the price action on Bitcoin is looking quite crazy. And certainly we're going to be posting a lot of the trades in our VIP Discord channel, which is accessible only if you're a Bybit or a BitGet trader and you've used my link, which you can find down in the description of this video, either to Bybit or to BitGet, and you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. This is number one right here. And also all deposited users get access to my Crypto Signals community for free. And this is one of the most profitable trading communities in the whole entire world. If you've been there, you know there's 40,000 traders in there, and the only way to get in is if you have Bybit or BitGet account and you've put in your UID into the bot when you were joining the Discord. There is a link to Discord VIP Signals in the description of this video. There is an instruction of how to do it, very simple. And if you use my link, you also are getting insane bonuses. But with BitGet, you're getting only up to $8,000 initial deposit bonuses. But the bonus of BitGet is that in select countries, it still doesn't require KYC. Now, the question then becomes, has the Bitcoin spot ETF been approved? Is what like we are saying right here in these ones. And this is what a lot of people are stating right now. But, and also the price of Bitcoin, if you look at it, it actually is, we actually retracted because yesterday right here, we had fake news when, the spot like supposedly SEC's Twitter got hacked. And to be honest, something is telling me that it didn't get hacked. It was done on purpose. But whatever, I haven't been there. I haven't been holding a candle looking at what they were doing, so I cannot confirm anything with 100% certainty, but I don't know. So, and that's why we had this pump to 48,000 just to drop down to like 45. And now like 44, even down here, we did like 44,000. And now we are back to 46 and a half on these tweets and this hopium that within literally like right now, it's going to get approved. So the thing is that I think that this tweet right here is actually quite wrong. What I think is happening right now is that CBOE, got actually the approval to start adding basically the ticker for trading tomorrow. But I don't really think, like if you can actually see right here, that this is the CBOE BZX certification, which basically I don't think that this is necessarily an official approval of the ETF, which I think is going to come within the next few hours today, which is going to create, the reason why they're adding this right here that is going to start trading tomorrow. So that being said, I think that we are still like an hour or two, or maybe a few minutes, or maybe, I don't know, a couple of hours more until the actual approval. So I don't know, why would they actually add this? Why would they go through all of this trouble just to get rejected? So I think that they know, based on this is still amazing news, that they know that the ETF is coming. And guys, what am I going to personally be doing with this? So first of all, I want to actually see what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price, because I told you before that certainly we have very huge volume coming in once it's going to be approved. But what I'm thinking is the best course of action is actually taking a short trade after the initial pump on the news, because again, what happens when we have this up move? This is because of the sentiment and the narrative that the ETF is coming and it's going to be approved very soon, and people are hopeful. But once it's actually approved, to sustain the momentum to the upside, we need the liquidity to start coming in from the ETF, etc. So that being said, there could be some delay between the approval and the actual huge liquidity coming in, huge amount of money coming into Bitcoin. Therefore, there could be this effect of buy the rumors, sell the news, short correction, small correction, or maybe big correction, and then finally to the upside into the bull market, into halving, etc. So that's why I told you in the previous video, it still is intact right here, that we have the shorting area, which is about around the shorting area. Let me just find it, like right here. So around 50K price. I really want to see possibly on the news we can actually pump maybe to even something as crazy as like 52K. We could pump on the ETF news, but then finally this kind of a cool down and this, kind of a ETF hangover, because even with gold, it did happen after the ETF was actually approved. Before it started trading, it actually went down a bit, and then finally liquidity coming in and crazy parabolic run. So congratulations to you guys. You've been diamond hands, and I'm still holding my Bitcoin. I'm not going to be selling any of my Bitcoin below 150, 200, 300,000, but short term might be a good idea to put in a short trade once we actually have exhausted the ETF news pump, and that could be a beautiful short. And I'm going to keep you updated, so subscribe and hit that notification bell. And remember about the 2 CME zones that I told you about, where we have huge orders and huge statistical probability of reaching either one of the targets, which is basically right here. Zone, upper zone, this is just not invented by me. This is what we see on CME right now, 52K to 58K. And the lower zone is 25K to 31K. And there is a statistical chance of either target being hit of 68% within January 24, and 83% statistical chance of either target being hit by the end of February of 24. Certainly, I'm hopeful that it's going to be the upper zone, but depending on what's going to happen in the next few hours with the ETF, we'll see. And certainly, guys, remember one simple thing, that this right here is creating huge hopium. And well, I mean, of course, and this right here and also this right here. But what happened yesterday was this fake news, which actually, let me just make it automatic. So we've had these fake news. Also, let's even go to smaller one, which actually caused Bitcoin to go to $48,000 just to drop down to like $45,000. And was this, let's ask ourselves, was this really SEC got hacked? SEC doesn't know how to use the fucking two-factor authentication? Seriously? And what my team has thought, what if they will come out with all this hopium right now? They're going to come out in like an hour and saying that we are rejecting it, the ETF, because Bitcoin is too small. Because they're going to say, oh, look, so much manipulation. One small tweet took it to 48K and then down to 44K. That the Bitcoin market is simply not ready, that it's too small, and for retail, it's too dangerous, blah, 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 blah. So this is a conspiracy theory, I know. But I really hope it's not going to be the case. Certainly, if that's going to be the case, then it's going to drop a bit. Yeah, it's going to be a big sell-off, but I don't think it's going to have a huge impact. Long term, it's going to set us back a little bit. Yes, absolutely, but it's not going to kill Bitcoin. So don't worry about it. I'm going to keep you posted. Either way, this is just our conspiracy theory as to what could be happening. And certainly, once it's officially approved and officially confirmed by SEC on their page, on the website, whatever, I'm going to keep you posted. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join Bybit immediately, or Bitget, so you're ready to put in a trade when I announce it, because I'm putting in insane trades with insane profits, and I rarely lose a trade. So that being said, get ready and check out this quick tutorials to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Krallo, stay smart, stay very rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.